Okay, so I don't want to draw on top of this, so I'm going to move it out of the way. And I know, oh, I forgot, we got to measure. My hills are less than halfway. My first row of hills are less than halfway up. So I'm going to kind of draw a line where I want my hills to start compared to my mountains. So I know where to start. And this won't be difficult to cut out or show. And I am steering the paper. I am not moving my scissors back and forth. That's how you're cutting. Cutting looks not good. Erase that line. And I'm going to put some part. I want my hills to go that way. So I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to put a couple of pieces of cardboard. Remember, less is more. Lots of glue will ooze and squish out everywhere. A little bit of glue will dry quickly and help your work. Now, this time I don't need to put a support there probably. I can probably sneak one in there later if I need it. If it looks like that's going to bend back a lot. I'm going to put 2 layers of cardboard so I get a little bit more height. Remember, this cardboard is kind of thin. I might have thicker later on, but we'll see. All right, now I'm ready to attach this layer to the other layers. Spread it. Oops. That piece may not stick very well right away because it's kind of crinkled. Maybe I should not have used that piece. So very carefully, I am going to line this up with the bottom and the side. And I'm going to press gently because the top, the bottom layer, there might not be cardboard under the bottom layer where the cardboard is on this layer. So on my phone, you can definitely see that there's some more height. Okay, now we're going to add the foreground and or the detail parts of the foreground, which are my cactuses. And what I want to do is make them look about the same size as they are in my drawing. So and this is speeded up, so I'm narrating on top of this. So I know I want to make my cactus taller than where my land was coming across. And so I'm going to I measured with my fingers and kind of lined that up with my piece of scratch paper, and now I'm sketching out what I want my cactus to be like. And making corrections as I go, because we don't want any pencil line to show on the final product. So once I get it the way I want it, I'm also going to put texture on it. And texture is one of our words, and you'll find the definition on the screen. And I cut some little strips, and I'm putting tiny, tiny, tiny amounts of glue and spread it out. And I'm trimming it so that I don't have to cut through it later, because that'll keep me from erasing any extra lines later on. So I'm putting on the extra texture, making sure they're glued securely, and I cut it out. I'm erasing any extra pencil lines and seeing if I can rub off any extra glue. So I don't want it right below my tallest thing, right below my moon. So I'm going to put it on the other side, and I'm going to let the bottom of the cactus extend past my border there a little bit, but not outside the black paper. And I'm going to scooch it over so the one arm of the cactus sticks out beyond into my little edge. And when I'm putting the cardboard on the back to make it raise up a little bit, I want to make sure that the cardboard does not stick out from behind my cactus and show. So make sure you're trimming those little edges off before you glue them down. And my bigger one, I'm going to make it stick out or stick up from my sculpture more because it's the closest thing. And make sure you press down all of your layers of cardboard well, and press down gently so you don't squash your whole sculpture. And now I'm going to work on my other cactus, and I don't want it quite as tall, and I already cut it out. I made it a little bit shorter because it's a little bit farther away, and I'm putting the bottom of it up higher on my landscape than the other one. And my final product is about 1.5 inches tall. So, and I will show you that from the side in just a minute. So there is, and I'm erasing the pencil line around the edge. So then I'm going to sign carefully in the bottom right hand corner, like all artists do to claim their work. So there is my final product. Okay, so here you can see from the side that my piece is almost 1 inch thick, which is well within the limit. No higher than 2 inches. And that'll be it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.